I myself welcome to Navin, room number 49, and the topic is about community aware graph signal processing modularity defines new ways of processing graph signals. The emerging field of graph signal processing (GSP) allows one to transpose classical signal processing operation, example filtering, to signals on graphs. The GSP framework is generally built upon the graph Laplacian, which plays a crucial role in studying graph properties and measuring graph signal smoothness. Here, instead, we propose the graph modularity matrix as the centerpiece of GSP to incorporate knowledge about graph community structure when processing signals on the graph but without the need for community detection. We study this approach in several generic settings such as filtering, optimal sampling, and reconstruction, surrogate data generation, and denoising. Feasibility is illustrated by a small scale example and a transportation network data set as well as one application in human neuroimaging where community aware GSP reveals relationship between behavior and brain features that are not shown by Laplacians based GSP. This work demonstrates how concepts from network science can lead to new meaningful operations on graph signals. Introduction. Network science is a multidisciplinary field that accounts for complex structures of data, providing new interpretations of data sets in diverse scientific disciplines, ranging from the humanities to physics and biomedicine. Naturally, the analysis of network data relies on methods from graph theory, but also from statistical mechanics, statistical inference, advanced visualization, and domain knowledge from applied fields. More recently, GSP emerged as a new research theme at the intersection between signal processing and graph theory, with a particular focus on processing graph signals that associate values to the nodes of the graph. In many cases, the graph Fourier transform GFT was defined by the eigen decomposition of the graph Laplacian. That is, the eigenvectors of the Laplacian are considered graph basis vectors and the associated eigenvalues are graph frequencies. The graph Laplacian defines the second order derivative on the graph and therefore is linked to smoothness, but alternative operators can explore other properties of graphs and graph signals. For example, community structure is a particularly interesting concept from network science, where nodes inside a community are more strongly interconnected than with the rest of the graph. Community structure turned out to be present and relevant for a broad range of applications in sociology, transportation, biology, and neuroscience. In practice, communities can be found by maximizing the modularity index that evaluates the density of connection within clusters against a degree matched graph where no cluster preference exists. In Laplacian based spectral clustering, the Laplacian eigenvectors with the smallest non-zero eigenvalues are considered because they optimize the convex relaxation of the graph cut criterion. Similar to this, one approach for community detection is to compute eigen decomposition of the modularity operator and then consider the eigenvectors with the largest eigenvalues. Graph signal processing. We consider an undirected graph G is equals to n comma e with node set n of cardinality n and edge set e. G can also be represented by the n star n weighted adjacency matrix A, whose entry Aij is non-zero and indicates the edge weight for an edge I comma j that runs from node I to node j. For an undirected graph, A is symmetric or will refer to a subgraph ES by its node sets and assume ES containing all edges between nodes in NS. A graph signal associated with G is a vector XR, comma, n factorial that attributes values xi to the nodes in is equals to 1, 2, comma f. The neighborhood of node I is defined as the set of nodes ni connected to it. A graph shift operator is as a linear operator on the space of signals such that each entry of the shifted graph signal is a linear combination of input signal values, which often only involves neighboring entries to the one at hand. S is equals to U transpose, where U is equals to U1, comma, so on UN contains the n eigenvectors and diagonal of lambda 1 up to lambda n is a diagonal matrix with the corresponding eigenvalues. This allows to write the graph operator H alternatively as H is equals to P of S, U diagonal of H into U power T, where the entries hi is equals to p lambda I is equals to summation of hk into lambda power k of h, yield the spectral characterization of the graph operator for the perspective of GSP. A given shift operator S defines the Fourier transform GFT of the graph signal X as 1. Community is referred to dense subgraph PC belongs to N, where C is equals to 1 to so on C, that are well separated from each other and manifested at the mesoscale level bottom local between local nodal and global graph properties. A large number of measures have been proposed with to the purpose to discover community structure of an observed graph. For our aim, it is insightful to first revisit the graph Laplacian as it relates to one aspect of community structure, which is quantifying the separation between subgraphs. Specifically, the splitting of a graph into two manual exclusive subgraphs P1 and P2 can be encoded by a vectors which entries Si is equals to +1 or -1 indicate whether a node I belongs to the first or second subgraph respectively. The graph cut size number of connections running between the two subgraphs can then be related to the Laplacian as R is equals to 1 by 2 summation of A comma J is equals to 1 by 2 summation of 1 minus Si comma Sj up by 2, where Ij is equals to 1 by 2 1 by 4 s to the power of t L into S. Optimizing R by convex relaxation of S, that is, allowing the entries to take any value, leads to the well-known spectral clustering. The eigenvector of L with the smallest non-zero eigenvalue, also known as the Fielder vector, provides the solution to the bipartition problem. Recent work has also used graph wavelets to enable multi-scale subgraph discovery. The network science view on community structure considers the adjacency matrix as a realization of an underlying stochastic model that defines edge probabilities within and between subgraphs. Stochastic block models (SBMs) are the best known generative models that can express associativity, preferential connectivity within a node subgraph. Here we see the Q expression, and it will get the 1 by 4 s to the power of t a minus k into k power t by 2m into s. Here we see the graphs of eigenvalues of smoothness of eigenvectors, modularity, eigenindex. The eigenvalues and eigenvectors of these graph Laplacian and modularity Q matrices. Underlying graph structure corresponding L blue and Q red, eigenspectra, solid lines and quadratic forms of smoothness and modularity, dotted lines. Corresponding degree matched null model used to compute selected eigenvalues of L blue and Q red matrices. The eigenvalue and sign of eigenvectors entries are reflected by the height and up-down direction respectively of the vertical bars. The Laplacian operator L is the common choice of shift operator in GSP from which the GFT and all operations are derived. Instead, we propose to use the modularity matrix Q as the shift operator. Interestingly, the modularity matrix is a non-local operator since the second term that originates from the null model spreads out the signal over the whole graph according to the degree distribution and not only the local neighborhood. Here we see the wall map of graph signal processing. The application of the GSP framework on open flights graph node corresponding to airports, and an edge connect two nodes when at least one flight connects the two corresponding airports. Graph signal number of flights at each airport is reflected in nodes colors. The insert shows a zoom on GFK and ATL airports. Eigenvalues of the graph Laplacian blue and modularity matrix red. Dashed gray lines and arrows represent limits of the filtering passbands. Left from modular and smooth. Right for antimodular and non-smooth Laplacian filtering of the graph signal shown in panel. Yields smooth and non-smooth signals, and community-aware filtering yields modular and antimodular signal. The value of within community variability TC is shown for the four filtered signals. In order to further explore the roles of particular nodes in the different filtering operations, we focus on two airports, ATL and JFK. While these two airports are both highly connected as seen from, they play different roles in the graph community structure. Indeed, ATL has a within community Z-score degree Z-in of 8.98 and an outside community Z-score degree Z-out of 5.97, while for JFK we have Z-in is equals to 4.22 and Z-out is equals to 15.29. Therefore, ATL has stronger connections within its community than between communities, and vice versa for ZFK. For Laplacian filtering, the signal values of both ZFK and ATL are even out in the smooth signal and stand out in the non-smooth signal. The reconstruction follows, where V and omega contain the eigenvectors and eigenvalues. We explore how well the graph signal presented in figure can be reconstructed using the above framework and considering either L or Q as shift operator. We set to 500 the number of nodes to sample and use a spectral band including 200 components with L, or highest positive eigenvalues. The set of optimal nodes in these two cases is given in the figure 3. Here we see the optimal subset for smooth signals and optimal subset for modular signals. Optimal subset of 500 nodes for subsampling smooth blue or modular red signals of bandwidth. This is all about my topic. Thank you.